In this example, we're going to look at division applications, language, and notation. So let's read the first question. Adrian has just bought 12 lollipops for her 4 friends. So that's given information, so I highlighted it yellow. I see the question coming, so I'm going to get the green highlighter to highlight our goal. How many lollipops will each friend receive if they are shared equally? So this may seem like a simple division problem, and it is, but I want you to think about the structure of division and what this is asking us to do. And first I want you to notice that it says shared equally. And one application of division is a type we call fair sharing. And this is a fair sharing problem because we have 12 lollipops and we want to share them equally among the 4 friends. So let's start to draw a picture of this. So we can think I'm going to make 4 little bins down here that represent the friends. So this is friend 1, this is friend 2, friend 3, and friend 4. And we know there are 12 lollipops. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And at this point, you may know what the answer is, but hypothetically, we don't know. What we're trying to find is how many lollipops each friend gets. Okay, so we can think about dealing these out kind of like a deck of cards. Okay, you'd start with the first one, and you're going to keep dealing them out, 1 to each friend, until you run out of lollipops. So this will go to friend 1, friend 2, friend 3, friend 4. So we've dealt out 4 lollipops. That's 1 lollipop per friend. Let's get a different color. Now this one will go to friend 1, friend 2, friend 3, and friend 4. We've dealt out 4 lollipops. Each friend now has 2. And finally, friend 1, friend 2, friend 3, friend 4. And we've dealt out all the lollipops. And notice each friend will now have 3 lollipops. My lollipops look like 9s, I'm sorry. So we partitioned lollipops into 4 groups, and each group has size 3. And this is, again, one application of division. So we divided 12 into 4 equal groups, and each group has size 3. 12 lollipops divided by 4 friends is 3 lollipops per friend. And this is one symbol of division that we use. Another symbol we use is our fraction form. And this also means 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So there's lots of ways to think of fractions, and we'll discuss them later. But know that one way to think of a fraction is to think of it as division. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Now let's look at the next problem. Crystal has 12 bananas. She needs 4 bananas to make a banana cream pie. Here comes the question. So I'm going to get the green highlighter. How many pies can she make? Okay. And at first glance, this may seem similar, maybe even identical to the previous problem, but it's actually different. So we have some of the same numbers. We have 12 bananas, and here we started with 12 lollipops. But this is a little bit different. We're not thinking of breaking the 12 bananas into 4 groups. So it didn't say Crystal has 12 bananas, she wants to share them equally among 4 pies. That would be equivalent to this. We're not fair sharing the bananas amongst the pies. We're told that there are 4 bananas to make a banana cream pie. So we are actually going to take these bananas and start by drawing them. Okay, so there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and we're not going to break them into 4 equal groups. We're going to break them into groups of size 4. So starting with these, we know that this will make 1 pie because we need 4 bananas per pie. This is another pie, and this is another pie. Okay. So we get the same numerical result, 3, when we divided 12 bananas divided by 4 bananas per pie, we get 3 pies. Okay. But this is 12 bananas in groups of size 4 is 3 groups. Okay, so here we had 12 lollipops. We broke it into 4 groups, and the size of each group was 3. Here we have 12 bananas. We know the size of the groups. Here we didn't know how many lollipops each friend we're going to get till the end. Here we do. We know there's 4 per group, and that gave us 3 groups. Okay. So these are a little bit different, and these are the 2 scenarios in which we'll use division. Notice up here, you may have noticed here I circled 3 groups of 4, and it represented something a little bit different than it did here. Here we were saying this 4 is being partitioned out to the 4 friends. Here, this 4 is being given to 1 pie. And one other way to think about this that connects to multiplication is we had the repeated addition method of multiplication, and we can think of this one as repeated subtraction. We start with the 12 bananas, we subtract off 4, and we have 8 left. We've made 1 pie. Subtract off another 4. We've made 2 pies, and we have 4 bananas left. And subtract off another 4. We have 0 bananas left, and there are 3 groups of 4. As opposed to here, the 4 groups of 3.